Right, let's go on with our data handling, the regression line. The next question that we ask in this paper is draw the least square line for the data on the scatter plot. Remember, fortunately, we still have our scatter plot there. All we need to do is to draw the regression line. How do we draw it? All that we need to do is to find the central part where we are going to sketch this straight line. Remember, this is the line that we're sketching. What should be what is this? It is the y-intercept. So when the line that I'm sketching should try and cut the y-intercept around here, just before 30, at 29,22. So whatever line that I draw, it should take me towards that one. When I try and find the center between this one and this one, try to find it the halfway. Let me just check it. Yes, this will be a typical, it should be, maybe touch here. Right. Sketching this line will be a line similar to this one. It is called the line of regression. This is what we call the line of regression. This is what this question required us to sketch. Just sketch a line that will cut in between the points that I have there. Then I'm done. It is about 2 marks in the exam, so it's very easy. Let's look at the last part, which is 6.4. 6.4, 6.4. What is 6.4 saying to us? Estimate the productivity level for an employee who received 22 hours of training. Remember, X stands for the hours of training and Y stands for the productivity. This one, they want us to estimate productivity. Fortunately for us, we already have the machine or the graph that we'll use for that. What is our graph? Our graph is Y bar is equals to 29,22 plus 0,87x. What is it that we are looking for here? Estimate the productivity level for an employee who received 22 hours of training. What is this 22 hours? What is this 22 hours? It is the value of x. So in other words, they want us the productivity, which is y, but they give us the value of x. So in any equation, when we are given the value of y, and we're looking for this y bar, so we do know the hours. The hours is 22. So our y bar, in this particular case, will be 29,22 plus 0,87 times the hours that were given to us. In this particular case, what is the hours that are given to us? It is 22. Yeah, it is 22. All that you need to do is write the solution. So this then will be, let me just check it, 29.22 plus 0,87, 0,87 into 22. Close this bracket. What does this give me? 48,36. 48,36. This is what we get as our y bar. Thank you.